telling the time, with exercises and test. Today, we'll learn how to tell the time. What is difference between AM and PM? See the examples with pictures. Take a small test. Clock face. Hands. A clock has two hands. How to ask for the time. What time is it? What is the time? Do you have the time? Do you know what time is it? Could you tell me the time, please?
What time is it?
Have you got the time? What time do you make it? Have you got the right time? What time do you make it? Examples. What time does the flight to Paris leave? When does the bus arrive from Rome? When does the movie begin? Two common ways of telling the time. Say the hour first and then the minutes. It's 7:25. It's 9:05. It's 10:11. It's 4:34. Say the minutes first and then the hour. T's 20 past 10. It's 18 past 5. It's 9 to 9. It's 1 to 3. Answering the questions. Sure, it is 5 o'clock. Sorry, I am not wearing a watch. 1:30. It is 7:20. It is 10 past 10. The time is 9 o'clock. O'clock.
Time clock.
Use a clock only at the full hour. We use a clock when there are no minutes. It is 1 o'clock.
Heads up! Shell crusher! 2 o'clock!
It is 2 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock.
Snow Fox at 5 o'clock.
It is 6 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. For 12 o'clock there are 4 expressions. 12 o'clock. Midday. Noon. Midnight.
It's almost midnight.
Past. 2. Quarter. Half. We use past for 1 minute to 30 minutes. We use to for 31 minute to 59 minutes. Quarter.
From quarter 3 to quarter 4, up 17%.
A quarter to. A quarter past. It is a quarter to 1. 12:45.
All right, at 4:45.
It is a quarter to 3. 2:45. It is a quarter to 5. 4:45. It is a quarter to 9. 8:45. It is a quarter to 11. 10:45.
It is a quarter past 1. 1:15.
It's only a quarter past winter.
It is a quarter past 3. 3:15. It is a quarter past 5. 5:15. It is 7:15. 7:15. It is 11:15. 11:15. Half.
midnight. In a city that never sleeps?
It is 1:30. It is 2:30. It is 3:30. It is 4:30. It is 5:30. It is 6:30. It is 7:30.
Darling, it was 5:30 and the man was in North Yorkshire.
It is 8:30. It is 9:30. It is 10:30. It is 11:30. It is 12:30.
Minutes. It's 1 minute past 7.
Examples. It is 5 to 11. It is 20 past 9. Is 25 to 8.
8 minutes? 20, sire. 20 minutes.
It is 4 minutes to 8. It is 7:56. It is 7 minutes past 11. It is 11:07.
2 minutes? 3 minutes?
Examples. It is 10 after 4. It is 6:15. It is 8 before 7. Time of the day. In the morning.
In the morning? In the morning, Lieutenant.
In the afternoon. In the evening. At night.
AM. For the hours before noon. 4 a.m. It is 4 o'clock before noon. PM. For the hours afternoon. 4 p.m. It is 4 o'clock afternoon. Examples. The bus arrives at midday, 12 o'clock. The plane will take off at 7:15. 7:15. The show started at 5 o'clock. Did you understand the lesson? Test yourself.
Did you understand that?
English quiz. Choose the correct answer. Pause when you see the pause sign. For more time to answer. What time is it? It is 12 o'clock. What time is it? It is 25 to 5. Can you tell the time? Three o'clock. Good job. Now, check another test and write the correct answers in the comments below. What time is it? Waiting for your answers in the comments. Check the correct answers in the description of this video. Now you know how to tell the time. Use it daily. Just practice. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to receive updated as new videos are released.